Today we're going to be making plum and blackberry crumble. First thing we do is put 1 handful of blackberries and 1 plum into this blender. Now we're going to put half a teaspoon of nutmeg and 2 teaspoons of casting sugar, brown casting sugar. Then we're going to use 1 squeeze of golden syrup. And now let's put the lid on tight. Let's put it on here. I'm going to put it on for 10 seconds, see when it's done. Now the mixture has finished, let's pour it into the bowl. Now, let's add 2 sliced plums. Let's mix it. Now, let's make the crumble. First things we have right here is plain flour, vegan butter, brown casting sugar and 2 handfuls of oats biscuits. First things we're going to do is add 2 large spoons of vegan butter into our plain flour. Now we're going to mix it and turn it into a crust. And now we're going to add brown casting sugar. Then we're going to add 2 handfuls of oats biscuits. And then we're going to put this crumble on top of the mixture I made. Then to finish it off, we're going to put half slice of plums on top. And then we're going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. See you after that. Now my crumble has finished. Let's add some icing sugar to finish it off. Now we can taste it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.